Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. In the back of the factory right now, we've got a ton of splitters getting ready to leave. We've got 2 dealer loads getting ready to head out. Behind me are some machines that are headed to Widman's down in St. Louis, and he gave me permission to run one of these 28 Pros and show you guys what it's capable of. So I've got this 28 Pro here pulled out. This is the one that we're going to run today, and this is the standard 28 Pro. So we've got the Honda engine with pull start, and we've got auto return, but we don't have auto cycle. That is an option for this machine. We have hydraulic wedge height adjustment with the four-way is standard, and we have the hydraulic log lift, which is also standard. And a friend of mine brought some wood here to run. So we've got some bigger stuff. These ones are actually all cut at 24-inch lengths. I'm not sure what the diameters are, but we can check that. And then there's some shorter stuff here and a couple of crotch pieces and some other knotty stuff. So we're going to see how the 28 Pro fares up against these things. And choke off. Give it a shot. Some nice stuff. It's great. All right, it is time to try the 24-inch lengths now. And I would have to say that that diameter right there on that big one that he's rolling off, that's got to be 16, 18 inches, maybe even a touch more than that. But we'll get those on the ground here on the log lift, and we'll see what the 28 Pro can do. Now we've got a 24-inch length, and I'm not sure what diameter this is, but it's quite large, and it's going to barely fit in between the pusher and the wedge. Oh, just barely. Perfect. All right, guys, this is the last round. Guess I can't really call it a round, but he'll get that over to the log lift, and that's the last one that we're putting up on here for this video. All right. Adam, what did you think?
I like it. It has the versatility, the capability, and the affordability that we're looking for.
What are you currently running? I forgot.
A big box store.
Okay.
You know, just splitter that we've had for 10, 15 years, and it does the job, but this is going to be such an increase in efficiency for us.
Yeah.
That it's going to put us light years ahead of where we're at right now.
And I like you had some of the bigger stuff, and the machine grunted a little bit, but it's a 2-stage pump, so it went down into that full power, low speed stage a couple times, but the engine didn't seem to care.
And that's what we had, our full representation of the sizes and the shapes and the types that we get.
Yeah.
It's all got to be split. So,
yeah, right.
Torture testing this.
Yeah.
Really showed us what it can do.
So those big 24-inch pieces, I assume, is it for you, wood boiler, or do you sell
24-inch, don't sell any yet.
Okay, okay.
24-inch for wood boiler, and then 12-inch for an indoor wood stove.
Okay, yeah, it's interesting how everybody has different markets and different tastes in firewood and stuff like that. Sometimes we make the smaller splits and people yell at us saying we're making kindling, and so I kind of wanted to joke with the big stuff and be like, hey, look, we got some kindling here, you know?
Right.
But that's perfect for the old-fashioned wood boiler.
It is.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks for bringing the wood out here, and thanks for making the time to come out here and try this machine out.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
All right. All right, so that will conclude the test of the 28 Pro today. As you can see, we ran some bigger stuff, some smaller stuff. Got some red oak here with those bigger pieces. There was some cherry and some more knotty stuff that we did in those smaller pieces. I think this gives you a pretty good idea of real-world logs going through a 28 Pro log splitter. If you'd like pricing or more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. You can give us a call or send us an email. I'll make sure to put those links in the description. I got to thank Norm from Widman's for letting us get that new 28 Pro dirty. That is going to be available for immediate sale at Widman's in St. Louis. I'll put a link for them in the description as well. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you as always for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.